Imagine sitting in your car, but you're not holding the steering wheel. You're not even looking at the road, your car is driving itself. It sounds like science fiction, but it's not. Autonomous cars or self-driving cars are becoming a reality, and they're set to revolutionize the way we travel. Today, we're taking a ride into the world of autonomous vehicles to explore what they are, how they work, and how they're going to change our lives. So buckle up and let's dive into the future. First off, what exactly is an autonomous car? In the simplest terms, it's a vehicle that can drive itself without human intervention. It uses a combination of sensors, cameras, radar, and artificial intelligence, AI, to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and follow traffic rules, all by itself. But this isn't just about the car moving forward. It's about the car understanding its environment in real time, making decisions, and learning from experiences. So, how does an autonomous car actually work? Let's break it down. The heart of any self-driving car is its sensor system. These sensors are like the car's eyes and ears, constantly scanning the surroundings. There are different types of sensors that work together to create a detailed map of the environment. For example, LiDAR sensors use laser beams to measure distances and create a 3D map of the area around the car. Cameras capture images of the road, traffic signs, and other vehicles. Radar detects objects, even in poor visibility conditions like fog or heavy rain. Once the car has gathered all this information, it's time for the brain of the operation to kick in, the AI. This AI is powered by advanced algorithms that analyze the data from the sensors and make decisions in a split second. It processes everything: the speed and direction of nearby cars, the location of pedestrians, the status of traffic lights, and even the texture of the road. Based on this analysis, the AI decides how fast the car should go, when it should turn, and when it should stop. This decision-making process happens continuously and almost instantly, ensuring the car responds to any situation that arises. But there's more to it than just reacting to the environment. Autonomous cars are also designed to learn. They use machine learning, a subset of AI, to improve their performance over time. Every time an autonomous car encounters a new situation, say a construction zone or a sudden lane closure, it learns from that experience. This information is shared with other autonomous vehicles in the network, making the entire fleet smarter and more efficient. Now you might be wondering, what about safety? It's a great question. Autonomous cars are being designed with safety as the top priority. In fact, one of the main goals of developing these vehicles is to reduce accidents caused by human error. Studies have shown that around 90% of traffic accidents are due to mistakes made by drivers. Things like distracted driving, speeding, or failing to yield. Autonomous cars, with their constant attention and precise control, could significantly reduce these accidents. Of course, the road to fully autonomous cars isn't without its challenges. There are different levels of autonomy, from level 0, where the human driver controls everything, to level 5, where the car is completely self-driving in all conditions. Most of the autonomous cars on the road today are at level 2 or 3, which means they can handle certain tasks, like highway driving or parking, but still require human oversight. Reaching level 5 autonomy will require solving complex problems, like how to navigate through unpredictable traffic, or how to make ethical decisions in life or death situations. So what will our world look like when autonomous cars become mainstream? The impact could be profound. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past. Autonomous cars could communicate with each other to optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and getting you to your destination faster. They could also make our roads more accessible for people who can't drive, such as the elderly or disabled, giving them newfound independence. Another exciting possibility is the reduction in car ownership. If autonomous vehicles are available on demand, like an Uber without a driver, you might not need to own a car at all. Just summon a car when you need it, and it'll take you wherever you want to go. This could lead to fewer cars on the road, less pollution, and more space in our cities. But the impact of autonomous cars goes beyond just convenience. They could also reshape our economy and job market. For example, jobs in transportation, like truck drivers and taxi drivers, could see significant changes. On the other hand, new jobs could emerge in fields like AI, robotics, and software development. There's also the potential for autonomous cars to transform industries like delivery services, where goods could be transported by self-driving vehicles 24/7, making logistics faster and cheaper. And let's not forget about the environmental benefits. Autonomous cars could be optimized to drive in the most fuel-efficient manner, reducing emissions and helping in the fight against climate change. Many autonomous vehicles are also being designed as electric vehicles, further reducing their carbon footprint. But with all these benefits, there are also important questions to consider. For instance, how do we ensure the security of autonomous vehicles? As with any technology connected to the internet, there's a risk of hacking. Developers are working hard to create secure systems that can't be easily tampered with. There are also ethical considerations. How should an autonomous car react in a situation where an accident is unavoidable? Should it prioritize the safety of its passengers or pedestrians? These are complex issues that society will need to address as the technology continues to evolve. In conclusion, autonomous cars are not just a futuristic concept. They're becoming a reality that could fundamentally change how we live, work, and travel. From increased safety and efficiency to new economic opportunities, the potential benefits are enormous. But as with any revolutionary technology, it's important to proceed with caution, addressing the challenges and ensuring that this new era of transportation is safe and accessible for everyone.